Alright, y'all, I got me a hold of something. If it's what I think it is, it's my very first. It's a big old ring for one. No, I don't think it is. It looks like shotgun barrels. But it's flat on the bottom.
Been flattened, or is it flat?
No, it's flat. And then this side is the one with the two barrels or whatever.
That looks like a double barrel shotgun barrel.
It looks like one, but I don't think it is. Well, you saw it here first. Sorry we didn't do a proper intro. I got excited whenever I pulled that thing in that looks like a double barrel. It may be. Anyway, hello. We're back at our honey hole. And shout outs to Mom and Dad, Magnet Mad Mom and Dad, Roger, Lindsay, and Jess Hipkiss, and Callum, I think that's his name, and to Sonic, and to Johnny's Corner, and to Blackpool, and to Alex at Sleaford, and his wife Tracy, Sleaford Dippers, and to Jenny, and to Joan Rose. Got way excited a minute ago, so wanted to do my intro.
Shout out to George.
A shout out to Jorge over there. And to Benny D. Kratos, baby.
Shout out to my lovely wife, my lovely spouse.
Got something in the water here. Can't get it out. It keeps bubbling. So, but I just wanted to do the intro real quick since I missed it before. Talk at you. Well, here's your sign, boys and girls. George caught a sign. We'll never know what it says. But there's your sign.
Bucket list.
Bucket list item.
Bucket list.
Hey, I just wanted to say before I forget, I came back to the car to get the hook. If you can't understand what I'm saying, right underneath the picture that you're watching our video on, there's a little down arrow. You push that, it goes into the description, and down below that, it says translate. You push translate, and you'll be able to hear or see every word we say. That way, because I know our microphone is messed up, and I can't do anything about that until, well, for a little while. But, yeah, just push translate. You'll be able to get every word we say. I got me another license plate. You can't tell me anything about it. It says 2L. I know it says 2L. Or, yeah, 2L was the last.
That's an old plate.
That's all I got of it.
Not a whole old plate, but it's...
And then I got some cursive writing. Here, you want to see it? Let me see your little spoon you caught. Where is it? Oh. George caught him a manky, tiny little old spoon. We've caught 4 or 5 butter knives out here. And then he got this. Not sure what this is. It's flimsy, so it's not like an opener or anything. Probably pitch it. I just wanted to show you. What do you got bringing up now? I wanted to look at this again because I just don't know. Could it be gun barrel?
That is, I'm telling you, it's a 20 gauge double barrel shotgun barrel.
What do you got there?
A sock.
Besides the sock.
Oh no.
What's that? There's some mud. Ugh. Huh. I do not know. It's not threaded.
Everybody knows what that is.
Yeah, if y'all know what that is, let somebody know, because we don't know. Yay. Whoa, there went the bucket. Hope you can see that mallard over there. Gray body, green head. Hello, Mr. Ducky.
This is why we do this.
This is exactly why we do this. And the otters, which we haven't seen in a while. I'm kind of upset about it. Hope you can see him. He's going to pass this rock in a minute. You'll be able to see him in front of that rock.
See the turtle?
Where?
Right in the middle of the water here.
No. Oh, he didn't come in front of the rock. He stopped.
Big turtle right there in the middle of the water.
I don't see no turtle. Oh, there he goes. He's in front of the rock. Very pretty. And down there is a goose that's been watching me and fishing with me. I'm glad I don't play for a ball team. George said this could be springs to the seat for an old car. I just thought it was hilarious that we're bringing up springs over here, a mile away from where we was before. Alright, I just pulled this up and came over to see if George knew what it was, and he don't know either. This has got 4 little something sticking up, and it's got that on the end.
Inside.
It almost looks like a keyhole, but I don't think it is. And then it's got 4 little spots here, and this is like it would pull up if it wasn't seized. Yeah, if this wasn't seized up, it would pull up because it's like handle-ish or whatever. I don't know what that is. No, there's a screw there. It's not a keyhole. If you know what that is, let me know in the comments.
Raymond, you probably know. You know everything.
Yeah, Raymond would know. My Raymond knows everything. Hello, Raymond.
Hello, Ray Ray.
Goose. Geese. Gooses. Hello, pretty. I had to pull it up to see what it was, y'all. But it's a fork that's angry. It's giving out the wrong finger. It's long, too. It's as long as from my elbow to my wrist. That's cool, though. And then just a bunch of mucky muck. But we're having a forking good time. Oops, I coughed right at the beginning of that, sorry. Just wanted to show you guys, we got a new wagon, oh my god. It works out so well too, man. Oh.
It helped out so much.
It really did. George found what we believe is an old call box. You know, it'd hang on, have like a CV or a phone in it for, I don't know, it's down close to Jail Hill where that railroad bridge is. Found a little old teaspoon. We solved the Zodiac crime. A lot of you probably won't get that.
Look at that. That's something to show too.
What is that?
Valve on it.
He just pulled this out. It's a valve of some sort. I found another half piece of a toy gun that's bent.
Hey, it's a gun.
It's got this side of the barrel is bent, but it's got the body on the other side.
Got the cylinder, yeah.
I never find the side I need over here. I always find this side, and I don't understand. Bugs. Found a set of wheels. We believe it's to an old skate because they're so close together. Coolness. We found this thing. I broke the other piece off of there on accident.
You gotta clean it up. It's got some writing on it.
It's got lines and stuff on it, so I'm going to clean it up and then we'll show you if it was anything. And George found him a piece of a pew-pew.
Bang, bang.
Chitty, chitty, bang, bang.
I think it's part of a pistol. Maybe a BB
Stinking
gun.
bugs.
Maybe a real one. We don't know.
It's the end of the day, and I didn't feel like getting my phone out every 5 minutes, so I'm just recapping. And then
the piece de resistance.
I found this, which
Not
I
that.
believe is a tiny, tiny wheel to it. So if that helps you to know what it might be, here it comes. Got another little toy truck.
It's basically the same type.
It's like the same type that George got, except mine is completely crushed. And it has a bottle cap down in where that little wheel was. So that's what the bottom looks like, and it's crushed there. See how flat? I really hated that it's tore up too. Stupid bugs.
Oh, George has got his throwing britches on today.
And that's what he would have looked like a long time ago. I'm still going to keep it because I love it.
Oh, and tell him about your leg.
Oh, and I was swinging my magnet, and I hit myself in the leg really hard, and I had to fall to the ground and cry.
It was bad. I thought she broke it. The way her shoe was on her foot. And the way it sounded, it smacked hard. Scared us.
But we get ready to call it a day, and we just want to show you we got a wagon to lighten our load and what we found today. And since I didn't bring the little GoPro chest mount out, all I brought was Kelly, and I don't like getting my little pink case dirty. So,
Let's do one live action till we got time.
yep. You gonna pull that one in first? I still got mud all over my
Still gotta
gloves.
talk a little bit. Also, you didn't show them that.
And I'm sorry I got shaking and stuff. But I shake. Oh, yeah. This is actually quite heavy. I found a piece of shovel.
It's amazing how many shovels we have found in here.
It's got the whole metal up here where my hand is. It's really heavy. But I just got the little back piece of it. Bummer, because it's cute. I was hoping it was like a baby shovel or something. Man, my glove just got... Oh, now I got mud all over my camera. I mean, all over my phone case.
Anyway, we've had a good day today. Short day. Going. I'm not really short. We've been out a couple hours.
Yeah, we didn't get out till late.
Yeah, we had.
We didn't get out till almost 3, and it's like going on 6.
Yeah. Short day for us, but we just wanted to get out. Anyway, live action throw. Here we go. Like I said, I got my throwing britches on today.
Boosh! Oh.
I'm at the end of my rope.
And you can't see now, but I did find my first 2 4-leaf clovers of the year. They're all squished now because they've been in the pocket. But I found 2 4-leaf clovers.
Dedicated to Mimi.
Yep, my grandma. She could just tell you where it was from a field or a state away. She could walk right to it.
She was my girlfriend.
Mm-hmm.
When she called me her boyfriend.
All right, that's it.
Bye.